There are so many different kinds of websites out there, but what separates a good website from a bad website? What are the must-have features for your small business website, and how can we help? Hello, my name is Nelly from UENI, and today I want to discuss the most important must-have features every small business website should have. Wow, it's a lot of haves. But for those of you that don't know, UENI actually creates a website like this with all these features within 7 days. I want to talk about all these features and what we've learned throughout the years, because we've made over hundreds of thousands of different beautiful and functional websites for small business owners all over the world. So without further ado, let's jump into the top 25 features every website should have. So the way this video is structured, we have categories, and within those categories we have talking points. So the first category is website creation, and the number one thing on this list is a domain name. So a domain name is essential for customers to access your website. It needs to be easy to remember /spell, and of course directly linked to your business name. Number two is the tagline. Attach a catchy and meaningful tagline to your business website. It helps customers instantly understand what you do, and with a cleverly thought out tagline, remember who you are. Number three is logo. So add your logo so your customers know they've reached the website they are looking for. With UENI, you actually get access to a free logo maker, which will create high quality logos for you within seconds. The next category we're talking about is website hosting and security. So website hosting, your website needs to be reliable and fast. Lifetime website hosting is actually included in the one-time UENI fee. Number five is security and website backup, which are also very important and also covered with UENI with that one-time fee. It will be your responsibility to keep your login details safe. All our data is stored on AWS, which is Amazon Web Servers, one of the safest providers in the market. Plus, all the websites come with SSL certificate, so all our customers' websites are very safe. This next category is basic website features. So these things are now pretty much standard on every small business website. We're talking about a navigation bar, a slider or image which displays your company's most important information, a search bar, product or service information, and then lastly, calls to action. So a little bit more about calls to action, or CTAs as they're referred. These are actionable buttons that invite users to purchase an item or sign up for something. They should be included on almost every page of your website, not just on the homepage, but they need to be used carefully so the website does not sound pushy and causes users to leave completely. The next category is communication, so business information, number 7. It is surprising how many small businesses fail to communicate their contact information, and make sure obviously to include your address, your phone number, and your preferred contact method. Number 8, business hours. Tell your customers when you operate so they know when to visit your business or contact you. Very obvious, but you'd be surprised with how many people fail or forget to include this. Number 9, social media buttons. Link your social media pages so your website users can follow your recent updates, promotions, and events. The next category is building trust. So number 10 is reviews. Add testimonials from your clients that already love your products or services. Number 11 is our clients. So kind of, similar theme here. Include a list of well-known clients you've worked with. Be sure to include their logo to allow your website users to instantly recognize their name and improve the credibility and trustworthiness of your site. This next category is design features. Number 12 is an aesthetically pleasing design. So internet users place a surprising amount of importance on the design of a website. Our UENI website designers will create an eye-pleasing, eye-catching design for your small business. Here on the screen before you are some websites we've built. So different colors provoke different emotions, and our designers will be able to choose a scheme that reflects your business. Number 13 is easy to read font. Do you remember the days of Comic Sans? Yeah, those days are kind of behind us. These are not that popular anymore, so you will need to choose a font that is easy and pleasing to read. The next category is website pages. So number 14 is contact page or form. This obviously allows your users to contact you. So create a contact form or include your essential contact information such as phone numbers and email addresses. Number 15 is a About Us page. This may seem like a bore to write, but it's actually one of the most important pages on your website. Let customers know quickly what your business does and what your business is about. Number 16 is the FAQ page, the frequently asked questions. Try to answer questions before your customers even have a thought of them. This will help you save, countless hours of time and potentially money in the long run. Okay, this next category is a bit of a bonus category because it won't apply to every single business, so it's not really included in the numbering scheme here, but I just want to include it anyways for those of you that are interested. So depending on what your business is, you might also want to include a blog page, a team page, and a privacy policy page. But jumping back into our list, this is probably one of the most important areas. We're talking about content. So number 17 is good quality content. Make sure to add valuable content to your website. It should be informative and written with the user in mind. The best content allows a user to make informed decisions on their own. Okay, number 18 is internal links, so essential for both navigation and adding value to your page. Internal links help create an information hierarchy for your website. It also spreads the ranking powers of links around your site. And then number 19 kind of goes hand in hand. It's actually external links, so links to other valuable content to add value to your own. By linking external sources, you will have the potential to attract important and relevant traffic. By linking to valuable sources, search engines are likely to consider your content valuable as well. Number 20, this is very obvious. Use a spell checker. I don't know if you've ever been on another website and you see typos, you immediately kind of back off, or you have this feeling that maybe this isn't a legitimate website. So make sure to not have any typos and use a spell checker on your website. Number 21 is lead generation magnets. Materials such as free guides, reports, white papers are all examples of lead generation magnets. This means that they effectively entice users to communicate their contact information in exchange for a good quality online material. Okay, the second last category is SEO, which is search engine optimization. Number 22 is SEO optimized content. Your content should be optimized so that search engines can easily find it. This concept is called SEO, and while text should be written to include keywords, it should not be written solely for search engines. Keep in mind that people are reading your work and not search engines. Number 23 is relevant keywords. Target relevant keywords in your website copy to improve organic traffic. Ensuring that keywords on your page are relevant for your business will help decrease the bounce rate, which is the rate someone clicks off your website. Okay, the last one in this area is modifiable meta descriptions and titles. Just like you need to optimize your website copy, you also need to ensure that your meta descriptions and your titles include SEO optimized text with relevant keywords. And finally, the last category is usability. So this is number 25, mobile responsiveness. In a mobile first world, it is important that you have a mobile responsive website. This means that your website displays just as well on a small smartphone or a tablet as it does on an ordinary computer. So those are 25 must-have features, and you might be wondering, you might be asking yourself, wow, that's really great, but how the hell am I going to create a website with this many features and all of this stuff included? I'm not a website designer. I also don't have money to hire, a website designer for thousands of dollars. Well, I like to offer UENI as a potential alternative. So we will make a website with all of these features for you. So I hope this video was kind of helpful. There was a lot of information. Hopefully it was easily digestible. And if you did find it helpful, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more content like this. If you'd like to learn more about UENI, I have a bunch of different videos hovering around my face, and feel free to browse the channel. But I'll see you next time. Peace.